video you just watched was created completely using free AI video generators. In 2026, AI is power, and if you're not moving with it, you're gonna get left behind. Big companies like Veo, Sora, and Grok generate realistic videos, but when you try to use them, you run into paid walls. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the best free video generators out there right now, and trust me, they get better as the video goes on. Before we get into it, do me a favor, hitting that like button and subscribe. The AI tools I'm going to be showing you in this video require a strict setup process, so make sure you don't skip a step, or you might end up spending credits that you aren't meant to spend. Luckily, I'm going to show you how to use these for completely free. This first tool is an image generator, and you can just take this one as a bonus because the rest of the tools I'll be showing you are video generators. But let's start here, because it's completely free and unlimited. If you look at the interface, you can see everything is already set in place. Right over here, it says Login, which shows you that you don't even need an account to use this. You have your prompt box right here where you can type in whatever you want. I can say, woman riding a bike, and just leave it simple like that. Why I love this particular image generator is because it gives you so much variety to choose from. You can change the shot type, so I'll go with portrait. For the color, I can leave it as is. And for the effect, I can say golden hour. You can also add a genre, so I'll go with adventure, and I recommend leaving the art style at cinematic. You can play around with this, though you can go with painted anime or even a 3D Disney character, which I'll choose right here. From there, you can choose your aspect ratio and how many images you want to generate. I recommend generating 2 or 4 images, because the fewer it generates at once, the better the quality. That said, you can actually generate up to 32 images at a time, which is crazy considering this tool is completely free. Definitely stick with me, because I'm going to be showing you 3 more free video generators after this. For this demo, I'm just going to generate 2 images, so I'll click right here and hit Generate. Our images are currently being generated, so let's just give it a couple of seconds while it runs. In no time at all, we have this beautiful image right here. You can easily use this for long-form story content, and the quality you get is really nice. You can play around with the settings, change the aspect ratio to landscape, and regenerate to get different results. And you can even get consistent characters this way. To download it, just click right here and save it to your device. So, now that I've shown you how to use this first AI tool, here is the link to it on screen. Moving on to the next AI tool, which is a video generator. This is it right here, and some of you might already be familiar with the platform, which is Hugging Face. It's basically an all-in-one generative platform that houses all kinds of AI models. When I say all AI models, I mean pretty much every single open source model you can think of, ranging from Veo 3, Sora 2, and all the top models out there. If you look here, they have models for image generation, video generation, coding generation, and image editing. For this workflow, we're going to be using this specific video generation space. If you look around, you can see that this runs directly on a GPU space, so you don't have to worry about a credit system it generates straight through the platform. A lot of people have favorited these models, which shows you just how well they run, and they're being updated every day. If you look right here, you can see some were added 5 days ago, and some even as recently as 9 hours ago. They all work really well, but the exact model I'm showing you right now is currently one of the best and is favorited by over 3,000 people. For this, we are going with this model right here. All you have to do is click on it, and it will load you into this interface. I can click right here and upload an image of choice, like the image we downloaded earlier. With that in place, you have your prompt box right here. All you have to do is click on Generate Video, and it will start processing. Let's give it a few seconds while it generates the video for us. Make sure to stick with me, because at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you a secret site that nobody talks about, where you can access premium Chinese AI models for completely free, so make sure not to skip a step. And here is the video it gave us. This is really, really great. You can click right here and download it straight to your device. If you want longer videos, you can increase the length up to 5 seconds. And you can also download these models to run them locally on your own machine. This right here is the link to this particular model, so make sure to check it out. Now let's move on to the next video generator, which is this one right here. All you have to do is log in with your Instagram account, click on Create, and you'll be loaded into this interface. You can see right here it says Describe an image or video. So this can generate both text-to-image and text-to-video for you. All you have to do is type in a prompt. I'll say, a man walking down an alley wearing a coat, just like this. I'll send this over, and it's going to start generating our images. Keep in mind that this generates more than one image at a time, which is awesome. In no time at all, we have these beautiful images right here, and the quality you get is truly outstanding. Especially considering that this is free, it's even better than some of the paid models out there. Honestly, I see no need to pay for models like Kling 3 or Seedance 2 when you can use a tool like this for completely free. All that's left to do is choose which image you like best. I'm going with this one because the quality on the wall, the shadows, and everything else just looks incredible. It has that crisp 4K feel. You can even use the inbuilt editing feature right here. You can type in any change, like remove the hat, and send it over. In no time, it edits the photo without distorting the rest of the image. It successfully removed the hat and gave us a few different variants to choose from. I think this one looks great. Now, to turn this image into a video, all you have to do is click on Animate right here, and it will start generating. If you look around, once again, there is no credit system, so I'm using this completely free. Let's give it a couple of seconds while it generates the video for us. And remember, up next, I'm going to show you how to use that new Chinese model to generate hyper-realistic videos as well. All right, our video is done generating. Let's play it and take a look. This is just great. It did an amazing job maintaining the background with no weird morphing or distortion. You can use the extend feature to make it longer, or even add music if you want. If you want a custom prompt for the motion, you can type it right here, but this baseline animation looks great to me. I'm just gonna click right here and download it straight to my device. This right here is the link to the AI tool, so make sure to look into it. Now for the very last AI model, which is currently one of the best open source models out there that you can use for completely free. Once you click the link, you'll be loaded into this interface, and you'll see you have lots of different models to play with. If you look here, it explicitly says open source, and you have options for image to video as well as image generators, and they all work incredibly well. You can click right here on the Image 3 Plus model and open up this interface. You can test it out with any prompt you want. Just click Generate, and the speed it uses to create these images is amazing. In no time at all, we have our image right here, and the quality is surreal. It adhered to the prompt perfectly. 2 horses grazing in a valley below mountains. This looks completely real and doesn't even look like AI. You can download it straight to your device. Now we can head back and test out the video generator by clicking right here, which loads us into this interface. All you have to do is upload an image of your choice. I have this image right here, so I'll upload it just like this. Next, type in your motion prompt. I'll say, he walks, takes his hand out of his pocket, and touches his hair. Just like that. I can also choose the resolution, so I'm going to go with 1080p. If you look around the interface and check my profile, you'll see there's no mention of credits anywhere, which proves you don't have to pay a dime for this. All you have to do now is click on Generate, and our video will start processing. Let's give it a few moments while it finishes up. If you've made it this far into the video, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and commenting AI video generator down below so I know you watched it all the way to the end. And just like that, we have a beautiful video. As you saw, the video is perfect. No weird morphing, no distortion, and this right here is the link to the AI tool, so make sure to check them out.